Hey, it's Josh from onlyvpns.net. There's so many reasons why you might want to access PUBG from a fresh location. Maybe you can't download PUBG Lite in your location, or the entire game might be totally inaccessible to you. Or maybe you want to get awesome skins that aren't available to you, or take part in events that are happening elsewhere. A VPN can help you out by changing your location virtually. However, there's a trick to doing this. You need a PUBG VPN that excels at a wide range of tasks. If you pay for a service that simply excels in one area, such as bypassing firewalls, you will not get everything you need to play PUBG with no hitch. It's tough to find a service that really works for PUBG, so I'm only gonna list PUBG VPNs that excel at all the tasks involved with gaming. These services has large server networks and top speeds with the latest tunneling protocols. They don't log your data, and they protect you from DNS and IP leaks. They have apps for all major platforms, lots of connections and reasonable pricing. They can bypass geo-blocks, and are designed to get around firewalls and censorship. They do this either by using obfuscated servers to avoid detection, or having such a large server fleet that they can immediately replace servers that are detected. And guys, the good news is I have massive discounts for these powerful PUBG VPN services waiting for you down in the description. This service has everything you'll need in a VPN for PUBG. It's possibly the fastest VPN out there right now, especially when you're using NordLynx, the modern tunneling protocol. In fact, when you connect nearby services with NordLynx, the speed drop is so small that it's hardly noticeable. Your speed might drop only up to 10%. Even locations that are furthest away from you only drop your speeds by about 40%, which is pretty reasonable considering you're using a VPN. NordVPN has some massive server fleet. Some of these are obfuscated servers. These disguise the fact that you're using a VPN. That's why NordVPN excels at getting around firewalls and censorship. It doesn't keep logs. This has been proven with an independent audit. Privacy features include leak protection and a reliable kill switch. There are apps for all major platforms, and there's actually almost no difference between these apps. They all have pretty much the full set of features. One account gives you 6 connections. The pricing plan is decent for a service of this quality, especially the long-term plan. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can check this service out with no risk. In fact, there's a 7-day free trial when you sign up with an Android device. Afterwards, you can download the service into any other device and use the free trial there too. There are some other free and paid VPN reviews in our channel with a discount link. Please check them out in the description below. Surfshark VPN is also incredibly fast, especially on WireGuard that's making waves in the VPN industry. There are lots of servers and locations. Most users will have server options in a nearby location. Surfshark has a camouflage mode that hides the VPN use, as well as a no borders feature that gives some extra kick when you're getting around firewalls and geo-blocks. The service keeps no logs and offers reliable leak protection and a kill switch. You can use it on most platforms, and there's an unlimited number of connections for each account. Surfshark is famous for its budget-friendly, long-term pricing plan. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. And once again, you get a 7-day free trial on all devices if you do an initial sign-up with Android or iOS. VyprVPN isn't as fast as NordVPN and Surfshark. However, you won't usually get PUBG VPN ping problems with this service, as speeds are generally still fast enough for gaming. It doesn't have as many servers either, but there are lots of locations with a good chance of finding one nearby. VyprVPN offers the proprietary Chameleon protocol. It's designed for getting around firewalls and geo-blocks. It has an independently audited, no logs policy, with watertight leak protection and a kill switch. There are apps for most popular platforms. However, VyprVPN doesn't have apps for routers, Anonybox, Black Phone, and a few more. It only supports manual connections, but here's some guidance on how to set it up. And each account has 5 connections. VyprVPN has better prices than the other 2 PUBG VPNs though. It's wonderfully budget-friendly. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 3-day free trial on mobile. And here's how to play PUBG with VPN. I'm gonna use NordVPN. The first step is sign up for one of the VPNs I recommended. Download the app onto your device, then install it and log in. Now head over to the server list. If you're experiencing geo-blocks, connect to the nearest location that doesn't block PUBG. Otherwise, connect to a location that has the content you want to access. You're good to go. PUBG playing. If you can't download PUBG Lite without VPN, these same steps will work to get this fast-paced game version running on your phone. Okay, so what about free VPNs? Are there any decent options that can unblock PUBG? I don't recommend ever using completely free VPNs. These usually collect and store user data, and they can also contain malware. They have smaller server fleets than paid services, and these servers often get blacklisted. Speeds are painfully slow because servers are congested. They almost never have obfuscation or specialized tunneling protocols for getting around geo-blocks and censorship. You could try using the free version of a paid service, as they are safer and more reliable. Keep in mind that they generally have slower speeds and fewer locations than the paid version. Or even a data cap. You could try ProtonVPN, Atlas VPN, or Windscribe. If you're looking for a short-term free solution though, I'd suggest rather using a free trial or money-back guarantee from a paid service, and you'll get much better results. Okay, some of you were asking, does VPN ban PUBG accounts? Well, it turns out that if PUBG detects that you're using a third-party app for playing the game, it assumes that you're hacking. This can lead to bans. This is another reason why it's crucial to use a VPN with obfuscation or camouflage mode. These VPNs can't be detected by the game and won't get you banned. Guys, what works for you when it comes to unblocking PUBG? What doesn't? Please share your thoughts and experiences with me in the comments. And don't forget to check out the hot discounts on top VPN services down in the description. For more VPN reviews, thanks for watching. Please support this channel by subscribing and hitting that like button.